everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious chicken breast recipe in air fryer. It's very easy and very delicious. I have one chicken breast and I'm going to share with you how to make it delicious. Today we are not going to use any spices. I'm going to use kimchi seasoning. It's going to be very tasty and very delicious, and how I'm going to use it, that I'm going to share with you. If you haven't tried kimchi seasoning, please try it. I will list under my description, so please check it out. The things we need: the main ingredient, chicken breast, kimchi seasoning, knife, meat tenderizer. If you have like this or like this, you can use either one. Then we're going to need a plastic wrap. The chicken breast, I washed it with cold water, let it dry. You see the big side, and this is the center portion. We're going to turn it around like this. Keep your hand like this, and we're going to slice through right in the middle, just like this. Cut through like this. Don't cut all the way through, just leave it up to here, and as you can see, this becomes like a butterfly. Now we're going to use the plastic wrap. I place chicken breast on top of it. The other side, we're going to bring it on top. This is it. Now we're going to get the meat tenderizer and we're going to hammer it. Just flatten it. Each side, just like this, and this is perfect. Now we'll take it out, and this is nicely flattened. Now we're going to get the kimchi seasoning. We're going to sprinkle out on top of it. Then we're going to massage it. And now we're going to turn it over. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Just do it like this. After adding the kimchi seasoning, this is all we need. Chicken breast is ready to go in our air fryer. I'll open the air fryer. I'll place the chicken breast and just place it on top, just like this. Place the chicken breast into the air fryer, close it. And this one has a preset mode, but we're going to change the temperature. We're going to press it, the mode, we're going to select it. Chicken, which is 400 degree Fahrenheit, we're going to bring it to 330 degree, which is 165 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bring the time to 15 minutes, and we're going to start it. So the 10 minutes, we're not going to do anything. We're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to open it. We're going to turn the chicken breast on the other side, and then we'll cook additional 5 minutes. So within 15 minutes, chicken breast will be fully ready. It's exactly 10 minutes at 330 degree Fahrenheit. I'm going to open it, and we're going to turn the chicken breast over. This is how the chicken breast looks. We're going to turn it over. After turning the chicken breast over, it automatically starts where it left off. Another 5 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. We are waiting for the final beat. It's all done. So within 15 minutes, Our chicken breast is fully cooked. And let me take it out and let me share with you. 15 minutes, chicken breast is all ready. You don't need too many spices. You just need one seasoning, one spice, kimchi seasoning. Kimchi chicken breast in air fryer is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.